Good morning. Welcome to second grade. I am Miss Adan and I am your second grade teacher. This year is going to be a little different because we're going to do distance learning. Don't worry, I will help you through this throughout the whole year. No worries at all. To give you a little background of myself, I've been teaching for more than 35 years, so your kid is in good hands. This is also my 5th year here at Anthem Christian School teaching second grade. Now, some of you might be a little worried about distance learning. Please don't worry about that because I am here to help you. Lots of things in distance learning is new to you and it's new to me. So if we work together hand in hand, this whole process will be very, very easy for your student. And I'm sure if we work together, we will help your students succeed in second grade. Now, there's just a few things that I need you at home to do to make this process a little easier. Okay? First thing to remember is that classes start at 9 o'clock sharp and I do take attendance. We might have days that'll go from 9 to 12 or 9 to 11, depending on what our schedule is going to be like. But I do want your student to be available for distance learning from 9 to 12 every day. Please be sure about 4 things that I want your student to do every day. 1, please come to school in your uniform, in your polo. Okay? Number 2, this is a school setting. So I want you to find a place in your home that is conducive to learning. At a desk, very quiet with no distractions. And number 3, when you come to school, I need you to have all your supplies ready. Your books, your worksheets, your pencils, whiteboards, all those things on hand so that if you need them, you don't have to go running around the house looking for them, okay? And number 4, no eating in class, okay? Be sure that you're ready, you've eaten your breakfast, and you're sitting down at your seat at 9 o'clock ready to start. Okay, now, a lot of your work will be sent home every Monday. So drop off of your work at the end of the week. You can do that Friday afternoons or Monday mornings. And at the same time, you can already get your work for the following week. If you prefer to send your work in soft copy, then you'll have to use Schoology to send that over. No emails, please. Already confused? No worries, because you are invited to come to open house on Thursday. And I hope you will take this time to come, drop off your supplies, and ask me any questions that you might have. Do not worry, like I said again. Please don't worry. I am here to help you. And I really pray that God will help us through the year and that we may work together to make second grade a successful one for your child. See you Thursday.